have a heart that never hardens, and a temper that never tires, and a touch that never hurts. The most important thing in life is to stop saying, "I wish," and start saying, "I will." Consider nothing impossible. Then treat possibilities as probabilities. A very little key will open a very heavy door. I have been bent and broken, but I hope into a better shape. Do all the good you can and make as little fuss about it as possible. No one is useless in this world who lightens the burden of it to anyone else. Happiness is a gift, and the trick is not to expect it, but to delight in it when it comes. We forge the chains we wear in life. A man is lucky if he is the first love of a woman. A woman is lucky if she is the last love of a man. Electric communication will never be a substitute for the face of someone who with their soul encourages another person to be brave and true. What greater gift than the love of a cat? If there were no bad people, there would be no good lawyers. Every failure teaches a man something, if he will learn. And you are too sensible a man not to learn from this failure. Charity begins at home, and justice begins next door. Love her, love her, love her. If she favors you, love her. If she wounds you, love her. If she tears your heart to pieces, and as it gets older and stronger, it will tear deeper, love her. Love her, love her. Reflect upon your present blessings. Life is made of ever so many partings, welded together. There are only two styles of portrait painting: the serious and the smirk.